Technique 3. Sagittal line. With thumbs facing, we press, starting from the base of the skull towards the hairline. Meanwhile, we stand up. Technique 4. Coronal line. Start pressing on the crown point, then simultaneously towards the ears. Apply less pressure on the temporalis. Technique 5. Sliding down the coronal line, from the crown point towards the ears. Technique 6. 5 energy points. Pressing with the thumb on point 1 at the center of the skull's rim. Pull a little upwards and hold for 5 seconds. Point 2. About 1 thumb width to the left. Point 3. Another thumb's width to the left. Point 4. 1 thumb's width from the point 1 to the right. Point 5. Another thumb's width to the right. Technique 7. 2 necklines. Maintaining the half-kneeling position, we massage with the thumb pressing the external left line on the shoulder muscle downwards. From below the base of the skull towards C7. Then the internal line on the muscle next to the spine downwards. We slowly build up the light pressure, hold the pressure for about 3 seconds and slowly release the pressure, taking care not to press against or on the spine. We move to half kneeling on the right side of the recipient and massage the external line downwards. Now we massage the internal line downwards. Technique 8. Interlocked hands neck press. We knee behind the recipient and bend his head a little downward. With both thumbs pointing down, we press at the external muscles on either side of the spine, walking in a downward direction. Technique 9. Neck squeeze. Our fingers stay interlocked and we press with the heels of our hands the neck downwards. We bring the head again in a straight position.